Hi, I'm Nate. The natural world is a testament to the beauty and wonder of God's magnificent creation. But over the years, human activity from all nations has taken a toll on the environment. Pollution, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels that is accelerating climate change have led to a world that needs healing and restoration. With the increase of greenhouse gases, our planet is seeing catastrophic events all over the world. In the past 50 years, human consumption has increased at a breakneck pace, resulting in using more resources than we can replenish. The world's production of plastic pollutants has increased from 2 to a staggering 419 million tons in just the past 65 years. Roughly 10% of those pollutants wind up in our oceans every year. This severely impacts sea life and our global ecosystems. As hard as our governments and organizations work throughout the world and want to solve these issues, the crisis is more than they can handle, beyond their reach. Our only hope for this world's environment is the return of Jesus Christ. He will bring with him the correct knowledge and power to heal the environment. When Jesus returns, we will begin to see a powerful transformation. The prophet Isaiah described the environmental change as seeing a wilderness changing to become a fruitful field, and a fruitful field growing into a dense forest. Jesus will return the earth to its original beauty, once again becoming a place of perfect harmony. Isaiah further speaks of changes in the animal kingdom, when the wolf shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the young goat, and the calf and the lion and the fatted calf together, and a little child shall lead them. Imagine that, a time when even the animal kingdom will be at peace with one another. King David spoke about how the earth is the Lord's, and all it contains, the world and those who dwell in it. Blessed with this gift, we don't have to wait for Jesus Christ to return to start caring for the environment. We can work to be good stewards of the planet right now. The assurance of a restored environment is one of the most powerful visions we are provided about the return of Jesus Christ. Let's all do our part to care for the environment now, but also prepare ourselves for the true restoration that is to come. He is coming. This changes everything.